Hello, my sewing friends. I'm back with one of those quick little tips that will hopefully make your sewing life easier like it does mine. So I have this Lycra and I wanted to use it, and of course when you go to cut out something stretchy like this or a slippery fabric that you don't want to put pins in, even if you use a ballpoint pin, and you do that so that you don't stab the fibers and cut them, but rather they're made so with the rounded edge, the ballpoint edge, so that they will slide between the actual fibers of the knit. That's why they're made that way. Well, even at that, they will sometimes leave holes in your fabric. And beyond that, it's just hard to wrangle because, you know, your fabric's going everywhere. There are all kinds of reasons to use pattern weights. That's my point. There are also all kinds of ways to make pattern weights. You can use the rings from the hardware store and wrap ribbon, or, you know, zhuzh them up however you like. You can take little scraps of fabric and put ball bearings in them and cut them so that those work. All kinds of ways to make pattern weights, and they all work and they're all cute. And I even saw some the other day from a company that you could give as a gift, and they were in the shape of a thread spool. I thought that was so cute. Well, here I was going to cut this thing out, and I didn't know how I was going to do it because I thought I need pattern weights and I don't have any. Actually, I do have some. I have some of these washers that I got a while ago. And so I do use these from time to time, but I only have 3 because I don't know. They grow legs and walk off, and I've moved them 100 times, so who knows. I had drink coasters, and I thought, I've got those around the house. I bet those would work, and you know what? They work so great. They really do. These are glass. They just appeared at my house one day, and I have no idea why, but I'm glad they did because they work so nicely as a pattern weight. You can see how these things fit right along the edges of this pattern. And you know, even when I have a rounded edge or a small edge like this, I can just throw one of those washers on. Now I also have some like this, and these are actually glass tiles that I got for one of those backsplashes I was going to do like 10 houses ago, and I started using them as coasters. I also have some that don't have any cork on the back, so these work even better because that cork means it's not going to slide anywhere. I'll tell you what, that pattern piece is not going anywhere, and they're heavy, which is what I like about them. And these are pretty heavy too because they're glass. And obviously this doesn't have the cork, but you could get ceramic ones at the hardware store. If you're gonna go buy them at the hardware store, if you're gonna buy these, just your basic white tile. They come in like rectangles if you get Subway tile. Just, I mean, at Home Depot, at Lowe's, whatever hardware store you can find ceramic tile, these work so nice. And let's say you don't even want to go to the hardware store. You just want something around your house that's going to work. Well, you could use a lot of things, but these are really nice. If you have an extra set of coasters, if you have some kind of coasters somewhere in your house, they'll work. So that is my quick tip for today. Use stuff you have in your house. But if you've got coasters, really, really easy idea when it comes to pattern weights. And yeah, that's my quick tip for today. If you have any more ideas that are really fast, easy, things that are already in your house that you use for pattern weights, I would love to know, because, you know, when you share stuff in comments, then everybody benefits because everybody's sharing. It's a wonderful thing. So I hope that helps. That's it for now for me, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.